Hi everyone, happy Monday. Today we will do an unboxing of there's something different, We are we just received a package from Weber Workshops. It arrived just this morning, and I'd like you to join me in unboxing what is inside. So this this item, I want to make it a surprise. This item is a revolution in conical burr single dose grinding. It is actually the most successful crowd-funded coffee project in history. The shipping has started, but there's a backlog of orders, so it will be expected to ship early, early this year. So I'd like you to join me in opening it, and let's see what is inside. This is the first of this product. This is the first actually in the Philippines. So please join me while we look inside. Let's see what comes with this item, which you'll find out in just a few minutes. All right, so let's do it. It's as you can see, it's very much protected. It's double boxed. So let's remove this. Just thinking of how I can what's the best way to do it. I want to remove it from that box. Let's see if I position it properly. You guys can see it. Maybe I'll remove it. Put it this way. So it comes with it's like a thank you. Now you can see what it is, right? It is the key grinder. So some instructions in different languages. Comes with the instructional manual by scanning the code. Comes with a hex key, I think, for adjusting the burrs. So this is the cable. Just show you around. So can start with this. So it comes with the magic tumbler. If you've seen some of the videos posted by Weber Workshops, it has some magnets, so you can just slide the magic tumbler, and it also has a funnel to prevent channeling. Let's see, what is this? It's pretty. The build is very solid, guys. Just removing this wrapper. Goes this way. Okay. Let's put it aside. So I believe this is the magic tumbler that we're opening now. I still have to read the manual how to install this. Hey, nice. Not sure what is this. Probably this is where you dose, because it has a small chamber, so this comes handy when you're dosing your beans. And the moment of truth. Oh, found this. Oh, it's pretty nice. It's the spray bottle for WDT. I've read some reviews about this that the water spreads much better compared to regular spray bottles. So I want to give it a try too. So it comes with this. Did I miss on anything? Okay, it's a little heavy, guys, but hold on. I'll just remove the box. So it's properly packed. There you go. So the standard tumbler, I think it's the one installed. Look at the quality. Some wood accent. So this is the standard tumbler. So you have the option to choose the standard or magic. Oh, I like it when it slides. Puts it into place. Let's look at the back. It has a very small footprint, but it's very solid. The weight is really solid. The buttons here. And you have the tiny brush for cleaning it. It's just okay. All right. So you've seen this first in the Philippines. Let's remove this tape. What a beauty. So very small footprint can fit. This can fit any of your kitchen counter. I'll be using this mainly for espresso. And then I have the EG1 for my pour over, which I will now swap with Ultra Burst. So guys, thanks for watching. This is the key coffee grinder from Weber Workshops. Again, congratulations to Douglas and the rest of the Weber Workshops team for making this amazing product. It's solid. The weight is really solid. The build is solid. Everything looks perfect. I can't wait to try this and share with you guys how fun it is to use this. So thanks for watching. Happy Monday. And keep on brewing the coffee that you love. Bye now.